Well, hey everybody, we are back for day 4, back really quickly. Just want to show you how much our jar has full. It's just, man, these things grow really, really quickly. So I'm going to double rinse them. I just want to show you what that looks like. I'm going to double rinse them and I'm going to show you real quick. Before I do, remember this is a 1.5 pints and it's already up to here. So day 4, you guys. Okay, so I have just rinsed them twice, just like I do twice a day. And this is what they look like right now. So come back tomorrow for day 5, and some of these will be ready to eat already. Definitely by day 6, but you can see, so they're wet right now, so I'm not going to turn it the other way. Once they dry, this will be probably, down to here, I guess. And by tomorrow, this jar should be half full at least. Okay, come back tomorrow, you guys, and the word of the day is just going to be seeds. Make sure that you're subscribed and like the video, and please share. Comment the word of the day, which is seeds, down in the comment section to be eligible to win some seeds. So I'm going to give these away. Let me show you what I use too, because a lot of you guys have been asking. Okay, so this is what I use right here, and the link will be in my description box.